In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you give feedback on SHEIN website suggestions. Let's get started. First, launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to this Me page. Once you're over here, you're going to find this section of My Orders. Under that, you're going to find the option of Customer Service. Click on that. From here, you can access the live chat feature or submit a support request. Click on Customer Service. Now clearly describe your suggestion or feedback, including as much detail as possible about the feature you would like to improve. If relevant, attach screenshots to help explain your idea or report an issue. You may also see opportunities to rate your shipping experience or provide feedback after placing an order or interacting with customer support. Once a feedback is submitted, SHEIN will review it, although you may not receive a direct response or see changes immediately. Customer suggestions are often used to improve the website and app over time. And that's all there is to giving feedback on SHEIN website suggestions. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.